Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. I got a new light for my workbench, but it causes very strange things to happen with my one camera here. Gotta figure what's going on there. Anyways, so I finished up this IntelliVision here, and everything looks like it's working fine. It's just a nice little left-handed stick. So that's gonna be going out. I'm gonna be working on 3 at least purists in the next over the weekend, and then I did get one return back of a 5200. I want actually controller. It's not even that old. It's from 2025. Just gonna plug it in my setup here. So let's saying the pound button is not working correctly, which I believe. Joystick's working fine. Joystick's holding it nice. Cal hasn't slipped at all. This game kind of wants you to go through the hole. There we go. So that's working. And that hole. You are correct, sir. Let's try one other thing here. If you own an Atari Max cart, you hold that down. Brings you here. It's a little, adjust the left axis a little bit. Y looks real good. Okay. So if we do that. So yeah, it's definitely just, that is so weird. Showing up here. So this column is working. Oh, just lost the column. So this whole column is just a little sus. See, it was working outside, so probably have to replace the whole keypad. I gotta check the keypad, or I have a bad connection on that column. Let's see what it is. Yeah, I've never had a return for a bad keypad. I'm kind of curious what's going on here. Dropping screws. I got plenty though. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, I even glued it together. Let's see what's going on here. So it's still glued together too. What's going on here? And see, I lost the whole. It's column 3, I believe. Pick up my keypad. Let's take a look. I wonder. So column 3 is red. Column 1 is red. Column 3 is blue. So it's going to be red or blue. column does get shared. Oh, that red is the row 2. So column 1, 2, the columns don't go up there, so there's no sharing. Blue, blue, and this red. Column 1. And this is column 3. See if it's a bad crimp or it's a bad keypad. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna have to pull you apart. Step 1, yellow there, is row 3. Oh, this is all schmitzed up. Yikes. Okay. It's the only problem with hot glue. Funky looking crimp going here. See the crimp, that's the keypad. One crimp that's so sus. Oh. It's the wrong row anyway. Maybe back through. So let's grab a whole new keypad. Let's see what's going on. Wow, it might actually be a bad keypad. I need to adjust that one pot just a little bit since I'm in here. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and replace this keypad. You're supposed to, when you hit that anything in this column, it's supposed to like kick in instantly. Okay, so I think I got a bad keypad. So I'll replace that, and since I'm here, I'm going to adjust this. The x-axis looks a little off. Let's see. Too far. Occasionally you hit the darn screw on this thing. I remember this one now. Too far. Come on, you can turn. Oh, let's see. This pot's slipping slightly. Oh, come on. Can't quite get it. He wasn't complaining about this, but I want to adjust it anyway. Okay. Oh, see, I'm just tightening it down. It bumps a little bit. That's what annoys me. See, that's what's getting me. It's just where this pot sits on this one. It kind of bumps when I try to tighten it down. Oh, you're slightly cursed. Okay. Alright, so you're okay here. Let's come back a little bit. That's a good number. Let's get a thinner screwdriver in there. There we go. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Just need a smaller tool. Since I'm here, I'll go and adjust this guy too. Get this back. And if you don't have the Atari Max cart, Star Wars, the arcade game, is really good too for centering it up. So all I'm going to do now is just going to, I'm pretty sure something weird happened with that whole column. So I'm going to pull this whole keypad off and see what happened here. First for me, using the whole row like that, or column I should say. So stuck. Take it apart. We need to drill it out too. I'm gonna have to. It's not bad. I think I'll specifically adjust that just a tiny bit low. Keeps it on 7.7's not bad. Just the gravity messes with it slightly, unfortunately. give this a quick shot. Good. Alright. That column works. So what I'm going to do now is just, I need to drill this out to mount those, mount the overlay back on, and then I'm going to definitely, I think I'm going to go and adjust that one pot for X keeps them wanting to kind of wander over a little bit. And the other thing I do is I'm going to probably hot glue the whole back of this connector here so none of the pins come loose at all. Let's go into one thing here. Let's go to is it 16K round? Yeah. And it is yeah, see, it's tracking a little bit to the right. I'll show you here. Where's the mousey? Yeah, see, it's tracking a little bit to the right there. Let's see, yeah, I can adjust it from here. Too far. Wrong way. Sucks, your own body has capacitance, so it messes with the adjustments slightly. Let's see. Don't remove the joystick with it. Oh, my stupid hands. Okay. Let's see how that works. You're tightening down, that's pretty straight. Let's see, I think I've got a slipping, you know, I'm gonna open this up, and I think the pot is slipping in the, which I don't like. Not to give away all my magic here, but let's take a look. It almost looks like there's a pot slipping on this one. This is one unlucky controller. Pull the sucker out. It's holding solid in the mechanism, though. Yeah, it's turning nice. A little confused here on this one. Alright, so I'm going to turn you, center you. You get, I center the adjustment. There we go. Alright. So this should be centered, so it's too far of a swing that way, so I got a little bump there. It's not too bad. Okay, that's better. Oh, we add a piece of, oh, where's the Loctite at? Oh, where'd my Loctite go? Oh, goodness. Where did I leave my Loctite? I haven't used it in a while. I usually have to use Loctite in these things. I'll find the Loctite. Alright, so I'm going to finish. I'm going to lock. I'll show you. I'm going to lock this little swinging mechanism here is what does this in this case is the X direction. So that's, yeah, see, not super duper happy with that. Yeah, it's turning in there just a little bit. I think I made it worse. Yeah, see, that's loose. I'm gonna have to go, and here we go. Yeah, this needs a little bit of a locking down, or it's gonna cause some future issues. Yeah, it's odd. I don't usually have problems with these. Joystick's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna get a little Loctite. Oh, jeez. A little Loctite, and I'll lock that down. Keypad's been replaced. I gotta drill some holes, remount the overlay holder on there, and then, yeah, then I can get this shipped out on Monday. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna do some drilling and stuff, so it's very exciting. Thanks for watching.